Hello, today we will guide you through how to add credit card debt in ProjectionLab. By the end of this quick walkthrough, you'll have your credit card information set up so ProjectionLab can accurately reflect your current situation and model future scenarios. First, open ProjectionLab in your browser. Give the page a moment to load so the dashboard fully initializes. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the navigation with options for your financial overview. From the main interface, click on Current Finances. This is your hub for everything you already have in place today: cash accounts, investments, loans, and liabilities. Working here ensures your plan starts with an accurate snapshot of where you are right now. Within Current Finances, look for the section labeled Unsecured Debts and click on it. Unsecured debts are obligations not backed by collateral, things like credit cards and personal loans. Keeping these separate from secured debts, such as mortgages or auto loans, helps your projections handle interest and payoff strategies correctly. Next, click on Add Debt. This opens a simple form to capture the details ProjectionLab needs. If you're tracking multiple obligations, you'll repeat this process for each one. But for now, we'll focus on a single credit card. Choose credit card debt. Selecting the correct type matters because credit cards typically have higher variable rates and different compounding behavior than other debts. This choice lets ProjectionLab apply the right assumptions behind the scenes. Now enter your balance. Use your most up-to-date outstanding amount, the total you currently owe on the card. If you recently made a payment or have pending transactions, decide whether to use your latest statement balance or the current online balance. The closer this number is to reality, the more precise your projections will be. If you carry multiple cards, be consistent about which balance you enter for each one. Finally, enter the annual percentage. This is your card's APR, the yearly interest rate the lender charges. You can typically find it on your statement under interest charges or account terms. If your card has a temporary promotional rate, enter the rate you want reflected in your plan right now. For variable rates, use the current standard APR listed for purchases. Enter it as a percentage, decimals are fine, and double check for accuracy, since even small differences can meaningfully change your forecast. That's it. With your credit card balance and annual percentage in place, ProjectionLab can incorporate interest costs and help you understand how this debt impacts your cash flow and long-term goals.